السلام عليكم. Hi. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you today how you can read the errors on your Mercedes Benz. اليوم براويكم كيف تقرأ الإيرورز اللي موجودة على نظام التكييف. This is for the AC, so it's very easy and you can see all the codes. فعلا سهل الطريقة وممكن تقرأ الكودات اللي موجودة عندك على السيستم. أول شيء you put it on the second position, and now you put this one on high, you put this one on low, and make sure that it's not on AC. Let's start it. We'll put on the second, and then we'll click on the reset and EC at the same time. Now the recycling button will blink click. Okay, so we are in the mood. Click on auto. الحين نضغط على الauto. The system will recognize what are the errors. As you can see here, the error is EB1416. الerror هو عبارة عن 416. If I want to see other errors, I will click on auto. إذا بغيت أشوف أكثر عن error, أضغط على auto. As I can see here, end FF. So meaning to say that's the only error that I have. Now if I want to reset it, إذا أنا بغيت أشيل error على السيستم, بضغط على auto اليمين واليسار. I will click on the passenger and driver seat autos at the same time. As you can see, I erased the error. So now there will be no more errors for me unless if the system is not really good. Now if you want to see the list of errors that you can get, you can check on the description box. حتى تقرأ اعطال اللي موجودة في الايرور كود، قائمة الاعطال موجودة في description box في صندوق الوصف. That's it for today. Thanks. Like and share this video if it was useful for you.